Oh no! Wholesalers beware! You may be in violations of license laws in North Carolina. Hey, this is Jim coming at you live with another segment of TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Today we're going to talk about rules and regulations for wholesalers. I don't know if you're out there trying to do some wholesale deals in North Carolina, but there's been national letters and information being sent out from the Real Estate Commission warning wholesalers not to conduct business and receive assignment fees for properties that you do not own. This is a big no-no, folks. A lot of people have been doing it across the globe for quite some time. Well, the Real Estate Commission is getting involved now, and they're going to put tighter restrictions on wholesalers that don't have ownership to the property or interest in the property, and they're going to slap them with some big fines. So if you're one of those wholesalers out there, you might want to dig into the rules and regulations in your state and city as well as county to find out if you are one of those people in violation. And we don't want to get you caught up in some legal activity, but the Real Estate Commission frowns on people conducting illegal activity. So I hope this helps out. Stay tuned. Please chime in below and connect with me. Love to help you out. We do a lot of wholesaling as well as retail. We do lease purchase options, owner financing, as well as cash sales. So you or someone you know looking to buy or sell a home, please keep us in mind. If you're a wholesaler and want to bring us a deal, I would not do that because we deal directly with sellers, but we're here to help and share some information to keep you out of trouble. So for now on, check out your local license and rules and regulations and keep yourself safe out there. Bye for now. Thanks.